Hi guys, welcome to another video from Total Technik. Today we're working on the rear lock. This is the boot lock for the Avant version of the Audi A6, S6 or RS6 for the C5 platform. So let's take a look. So first things first, to gain the access that we require, we need to remove the tailgate main panel. That's the kind of carpeted panel that sits across the entirety of the inside of the tailgate here. We've already recorded a video on how to remove that panel, so if you're unsure on how to do that, we'll add a link for you below this video in the information section. Scroll down, check that video out, get that removed if you're unsure how to do it, and come back when you're at this stage so we can focus completely on the lock. So for the boot lock, first thing we want to do is get rid of the actuator and solenoid arms. We've got these two metal arms that are coming in, so we're going to get rid of these. Now what we've got on both of these, got these little white clips, and they're solid on one side and they've got a slot on the other. So what you do is you just push it, you find where the slot is and you just push it back and twist it like so, and then that whole arm will just drop out. So I'll show you that again when you come to refit it. For example, you push that in and then you turn this around and snap that on like so. So that's what you want to do, twist that, drop that, and then do exactly the same on this second arm here. Twist that, drop that. So next up we've got these two nuts here. They're size 13s, and I don't know whether you can see it just poking in just there at the tip of my finger. There's actually an electrical connection as well. You can either disconnect the electrical connection first and then undo the two bolts. You might find it a little bit easier to undo the two nuts first, and you can kind of draw it down a little bit and you have a little bit more kind of access for that. So what you want to do, both, like I said, both sides 13s. That's a good tight one. So yeah, get both these nuts removed like so, and then we'll drop this down. So just draw that down, and as you can see we've got a little bit better access to the electrical connector there. It's one of these ones with these two ears kind of either side. These ones, if you just kind of wobble them side to side, there, that'll pop out like so. And as you can see, that is your boot lock completely removed and good to go.